Yo, what's good? It's your boy Jay with my first official YouTube video. So essentially this channel is just going to be based around any DIY electronics, cars, rapping, all of that. So I've been doing a couple of DIY videos for myself for a couple of years now, but I decided why not share it with the world. So in this video we're essentially just going to be focusing on how to refill a car with refrigerant. So it's been a minute since I last filled my car with refrigerant, so recently it's not as cool as I believe it's supposed to be. So I managed to get the full toolkit and I managed to get some R134A refrigerant, and we're going to be showing you how to refill your car. As I said, it's DIY, baby. So this is the essential toolkit that I'll be using to get the job done. We essentially have the brass manifold gauge set along with its hoses for the high pressure, low pressure, and the one that connects directly to the refrigerant, which is some R134A refrigerant. And I also got the low pressure adapter, the high pressure adapter, and the adapter that essentially connects to the refrigerant can. So yes, I essentially got around all these tools. The toolkit essentially cost me around $700 on Take-A-Lot, and the refrigerant can, it's 800 grams, as you can see, cost me roughly 205 rand. So yeah, let's move on and get to filling the car up. Okay, so I essentially just finished setting up my toolkit. Got the blue hose on the low pressure side, the red hose on the high pressure side, and then we got the yellow where we're going to connect to the refrigerant. And on the end also connected the low pressure adapter, the high pressure adapter, and of course the adapter that's going to connect to the refrigerant can. Popped up the hood of your car, you just come under the hood, and as you can see, R134 essentially just confirming that we are using the right type of refrigerant. Okay, we'll be working on a BMW E90 320D M47 engine. So we're essentially going to take the low pressure and plug it to the low pressure side. Make sure it's nice and tight. Same thing we're going to do on the high pressure side. Make sure that it's nice and locked in. Pressure pipe to the high pressure side, the glue to the low pressure side, and we have the refrigerant ready. So now we're just gonna start the car. Yeah, first thing's gotta do is start the car. Okay, now that the car is started, just gonna wait a few seconds and then we're gonna turn on our AC. The engine is running. We're gonna turn on the AC to make sure that the compressor kicks on, and we're gonna take it to the maximum cold setting with our AC button turned on to ensure that the compressor definitely does kick in. It's currently taking out, but it's relatively still just cool. It's not cold. So then we're gonna go to the refrigerant bottle. And as you can see, pin it down so coolant can start coming out, and just open the cool side and wait for the system to purge. Okay, we just finished refilling the AC can with R134, and now it is blowing nice and cold. Yes, it is blowing nice and cold. I wish I had a thermometer so that I could just show you guys the drastic temperature drop after refilling our AC system with some R134. So I hope this video was helpful to anyone who's been struggling with an AC that is not blowing any cold air. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until the next one, Fix It J out.